Magical Moments with Pastor Barry. Magical Moments.
Well, welcome to Magical Moments. Oh, I'm so glad that I get to come to you today and share some magical moments. Hey, this week it's going to be Thanksgiving. Yeah, we're going to be having turkey soon. You'll be sitting at a fancy table like this, maybe with all that around you. I thought it would be fun today to share something that you could do Thanksgiving with your family. Oh, yeah, we're going to do that. Hey, we also want to remind you, hey, pushing that button share helps us spread magical moments around to all your friends. You're really sharing the love of Jesus when you push share. So on this magical moments, push that share button and share it out to your friends. Well, you know, if you're sitting there Thanksgiving and you have your fancy napkin and you're just all looking at everything that you got, why, maybe you can talk about change with you. Hey, you can talk about change. Oh, yeah, I'll bet you'll be using this Thanksgiving. Oh, yeah, stuff in the face, you know, getting it right where you need to be. That's what you want to do. Well, today I thought we would talk a little bit about change. Yes, I thought we'd talk about change. Because, well, let's see, what do I got here? I have a cloth napkin and the fork and, I better just make sure that we're making this all nice and pretty. Oh, yeah, there we go. Oh, what do we have? Oh, a cloth napkin and a fork. Good. Okay, yeah, that's what, I got to make sure that I do this right. Oh, yeah, I had a table and a chair, too. See, I'm sitting in the chair, and there's a table, and there's a table, yeah, that fancy little placemat. You know what? As we go through life sometimes we do need to make a change. Yes, you and I, we need to make a change. We need to think about changing. Yes. What did I tell you? We had a fork and a cloth napkin. Oh, we changed all right. Oh, I don't quite understand. But you know what? You need to think about the changes that you need to make in your life. Change from knowing Jesus to asking Jesus into your heart. Change from happy. Well, if you're already happy, that's good. Maybe change from sad to happy. Oh, I wore my Buddy Barrel shirt today. Change from selfish to generous and give. And if you're one of our people here at the church and you got one of those little BGMC catalogs, have you looked inside and picked what you're going to give to someone else? You see, when we're changing, it's an awesome thing. And we want to change and see God do all that only God can do of the change. That was a fork. And it changed. Oh, you know, I think this trick would be fun for you to do. You want to see how I did it? I'll show ya. Yes, somehow or another that fork landed right here. Oh, yes, I'll show you this. Here you are sitting at your table. You got your fork and your knife right there and you have your fancy napkin. As you take and lay your napkin down there, I was moving that knife till it was like right there. Oh, there, you see where the knife is? And I just kind of had that there, and I'm going to lay that down and cover up the knife. No one ever knew. Now, once you do a trick, you only do it once because somebody will catch it the next time. And only do this if you're going to talk to somebody about change. That they need to change their heart and give it to Jesus. Or they need to change their attitude. So then you slide your fork out and say, watch. Ooh, now you lay a fork down. And really, they don't know it, but my fork is laying right beside my knife. Oh, yeah. See, it's right underneath there. That's where it is. I'm showing you how to do this trick so you can tell other people about change. And I just put there right beside it. And when I pick up and start wrapping, I really picked up the knife underneath there. See how the knife is now underneath there? And I put the fork right there and I began to wrap them together. And I was keeping my cloth nice and neat. And I was just turning it and wrapping it. There it goes. I'm wrapping it. And you're going to get until you are about to right there where I have a corner here and a corner left here. Now I'm just going to do this little move. It's a real slick move. I want this corner over here and this corner up there. So I lift that up and push that down like that. No one's going to know that really when you unroll it, you know what's going to happen? The knife is going to be on the top and the fork on the bottom. Yes, the fork is really underneath there, but you don't show them that. In fact, if you're kind of slick, when you're picking up that, you can let that fall in your lap and boom, the fork is gone, changed into a knife. Oh, yes, change. Oh, yes. Once again, let me remind you, what does God want to change in your life? What does he want you to change? Is it your attitude? Is it your actions towards your parents? Pray and ask God, God, what would you have me to change? And then, let God do the magic of changing a fork to a knife. Hey, I'd love to hear how you did on Thanksgiving with your family, sharing your new learned magic trick. Oh, practice before Thanksgiving, okay? Get you, even if you have a paper napkin or something, or even a towel, dish towel will work. You can do this trick. Well, hey, that's it for Magical Moments here. Change! Yeah. Hey, God bless you. Thanks. Remember to share this with all your friends. Until next week.
Magical Moments with Pastor Barry.